Welcome to our tutorial on creating YouTube Shorts using Pictory's script-to-video feature. Pictory is a powerful tool that allows you to transform your scripts into engaging videos with ease. Once you're in the script-to-video section, begin by typing your script directly into the app. Pictory's intelligent algorithm will automatically analyze your script and convert it into scenes. Now, you can review the generated scenes and customize them to your liking. You can choose from a variety of visuals, transitions, and effects. Pictory also automatically generates animations and motion graphics that enhance your video's visual appeal. To add an extra touch, you can select background music from Pictory's vast library of royalty-free tracks.
Welcome to Pictory.
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 It has been shown that.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that.
Welcome to Pictory.
Once you're satisfied with your script and visual settings, it's time to export your video. And there you have it. Creating YouTube Shorts has never been easier with Pictory's script-to-video feature. Start crafting compelling videos today and captivate your audience like never before.